want to verify your UK TikTok account with a UK phone number but you are in Nigeria? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you exact steps to do it. Even if you don't have a UK SIM card, it's simple, fast, and it works. Verifying your UK TikTok account with a UK phone number in Nigeria can be stressful if you have nobody that can give you their phone number from the UK. So it's better you look for an alternative like this one I will be showing you. So for this video, we will be needing a UK virtual number which we'll be getting from a site called verifyasap.com. verify.asap.com. So let's get started. If you are planning to run ads or build a UK-based audience, which I believe that was the reason you created a UK TikTok account, or you are due for monetization but verifying your account has been the only thing delaying you, these steps is super helpful. If this is your first time of joining my channel, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. My name is Bernice, but you can call me Peculiar BJ. All you need to do is to follow this video step by step and make sure you don't miss anything out of this video, because if you miss any step out of this video, you might not be able to verify your account. Okay, so I want you to believe that this step works, as in it works 100%, because I've tried it worked for me, and my UK TikTok account is still very much intact. Go to verifyasap.com. It will bring you to this place. That is how the home page looks like. So now we are at the login page. As for me, I have account with them, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be signing up with a new account. So let's go. I will enter my full name. After that, I will enter my email address. Then I will go ahead and input my password and also confirm it for the second time. Then I'll click on sign up. I allowed it to load. I allowed the page to load so that it will take me to my dashboard. Okay, here are the two providers that you can select from. So as for me, I'll be going with the first provider, which is Alcatraz, because their service is fast. Click on Alcatraz, allow it to load so that it will take you to your dashboard. And this is my dashboard. Here is a welcome note. Hi Bolaji, welcome to Verify ASAP. So the next thing is for me to click on deposit. I clicked on deposit here. Then it brings two options. So I will go with the first option, which is pay stack. So after clicking on pay stack, it brings me here. Then below, I'll be typing in the amount I want to deposit. So you should do the same. After that, I click on fund wallet. Then it sends me to this place. So allow the box to load and tick the box so that it will bring a list of banks you can choose from for your deposit. You check the amount of whatever you want to buy, the number you want to buy, before you make the deposit, so that you will not deposit in excess. Once you are done with the deposit, come back to your dashboard and refresh your page. Your payment should reflect instantly. so that you can proceed in buying the number. Now click on that three lines at your upper left hand and click on buy number so that it can bring you to this page. On this page, where they wrote select country, click on it and select United Kingdom because it is UK phone number you need. Then select service, search for TikTok and choose TikTok. Then you click on purchase. Once you click on purchase, the amount you need to pay will reflect instantly. As you can see on the screen, the current price is 1,520 and it later changed to 1,552. That is, the price do fluctuate, but the difference is always little. So below your screen, you will see this place they wrote recent transactions. They wrote number, code, service, price, status and all. So under where they wrote number, your UK phone number will appear there immediately. So copy it and take it to your TikTok and paste it there. Then request for the code. After requesting for the code, come back here and copy your code. This place they wrote code. Under it, the code will reflect. Copy it and go and paste it there. Then submit it. It will be successful instantly. And that's it. We've come to the end of the tutorial. I hope you can see that it is very easy for you to verify your UK TikTok account. Then let me tell you this thing as well. It is not only UK TikTok account you can verify on the site. You can actually verify anything you want to verify using a UK or US phone number on that website. All you need to do is to choose the service you want. Like in the video, we choose TikTok as the service we wanted to use. So in your own case, let's assume you want to have a Telegram using a US phone number. So all you need to do is just choose US as the country of service. Then you choose Telegram. In the second step, you choose Telegram. So after choosing it, so just follow the step I applied in verifying the TikTok. Use it as well, so it will work for you. And even if it is WhatsApp, if you wanted to have a UK WhatsApp or a US WhatsApp phone number, just do it that way. So it is very, very easy and very safe. So with this, we've come to the end of the tutorial, and I believe this tutorial helped. So if you find it useful, and you are able to carry out the verification with this particular video, please don't forget to like the video, drop your comments in case you have any question, and help me to share for people that might be interested in it as well. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more digital hacks like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.